Iguana.
Okay.
You say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, go now.
Ibid.
Mommy. Mommy, there's spider.
Where's the spider?
Here.
Wow. Furry. Are you scared? Are you scared? This one, what's this? Lizard.
Ano naman yan?
Blue tree monitor lizard. Asan ang lizard? Tatago. Ay, ito pala. Ang dami. Hello. Leopard. Gecko.
Why so little?
Pagong.
Maybe they're sleeping. I got one. They're sleeping. Hello.
Sawa.
Oh. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Ano?
Hello.
Hey, Mommy. Come on.
Yes. Oh, they're sleeping. That one is sleeping.
Sawa.
Lolo, buhat mo ba?
Ha?
Buhat. Buhat. Oh,
Sawa.
So scary.
sugar glider. Ito ang sugar glider.
Ah, this one, oh.
Ikaw mo.
Oh,
Ayan, sawa. Oh,
sawan mo.
sawa.
What about this? Tarantula.
Mommy.
So scary. This one. Oh, he's sleeping.
Hey, Mommy, there's a spider.
Hey, don't worry. They are inside naman.
I
They
can't
will
see.
not gonna bite you.
There's lots of spiders. Trust me.
Oh, ano na, ibid.
Mommy.
What?
Look, look, that's the big one. The
Ibid.
big one.
What?
Ibid yan.
Are you not scared?
No, they're inside.
Oh, look at his eyes. It's closed. It's sleeping.
Oh,
Don't
it's
disturb.
open. Please, no more spiders.
Ah, this one. Oh, they are husband and wife.
That's you. And that guy.
Oh, this one is alone.
Ooh.
Hello. How are you there? Oh, what's this? Ina?
Toko.
There's no name.
Oh, it's so cute snuggling in there.
Toko.
Look at this, anak.
It's a hedgehog.
Toko. Toko.
Oh, lolo. Tingnan mo.
Python.
Ayan.
Albino Burmese
Ako
python.
na nga. Toko.
Oh, this one, the black one.
Bakit, Chong? Oh,
Red-tailed boa.
Lala. Tingnan mo ito, oh. Lala.
Look at this, Ina. Oh, the
Where?
green. The green one.
It's snuggling.
Oh, this one sleeping again. All of them are sleeping.
They're tired.
This one is awake. And it's a baby, I think.
No, it's not. Oh!
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh no.
Oh, look at this.
Where are you?
Hey,
Where are you? There.
oh, look at this. Oh, there's a small chicken here. Okay, let's see. We're done.